In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right paid plan for Hailuo AI. We'll move through the app together and open each plan page so you can compare the options with confidence. First, open the Hailuo AI website in your browser. Give the page a second to load, then head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the profile icon. It looks like a small avatar and it's your shortcut to account controls. From there, select Manage Subscription. This takes you to the subscription hub where Hailuo lists all available paid tiers alongside your current status. Start by clicking Pro. Let this page load fully so any fine print and inclusions appear. Use this screen to gauge the essentials: typical generation limits, export quality, processing speed, watermark settings, commercial usage rights, and the level of support. Think about your weekly workload. If you produce occasionally and want reliable quality without advanced collaboration, Pro may be the right fit. Next, click Master. Here you're usually looking for more headroom. Compare the limits you noted on Pro with what Master offers. If your projects run longer, involve more iterations, or you need faster turnaround during busy periods, Master can be a smarter long-term pick than paying overages. Now open Ultra. This tier is often tuned for heavy creators or small teams that need consistency and throughput. As you review, map features to your real workflows: batch creation needs, maximum video length, asset libraries, brand controls, and any priority rendering. If you're frequently hitting ceilings, Ultra can reduce friction by giving you room to grow. Finally, click Max. This is typically the top tier designed for intensive use or production teams. Look for the biggest quotas, premium support response times, and any enterprise-leaning options like advanced security or workspace controls. If deadlines are strict and content volume is high, the predictability here can outweigh the higher monthly cost. As you compare, keep a few tips in mind. Estimate your next 3 months, not just today, so you choose a plan that won't choke growth. Check whether pricing differs for monthly versus annual billing. Note how credits, minutes, or generations are counted and whether they reset or roll over. If you collaborate, confirm seat or workspace details so the plan actually covers everyone. Finally, save the plan pages or take screenshots for a quick side-by-side before you decide. That's it. By opening Manage Subscription and walking through Pro, Master, Ultra, and Max, you'll have a clear apples-to-apples view to pick the plan that fits your goals and budget.